All right, let's talk about bats. They get a bad rap, but there's so much more to them.
Okay, pop quiz. Can you name the only mammal in the world that can actually fly?
Yup, it's the bat.
That one ability alone makes them pretty incredible, right?
But, despite being so cool, a lot of people are just plain scared of them.
The biggest myth that they're all out for blood. But that's just not true.
I mean, look at this. Out of all the bat species out there, only 3 are vampire bats. And even those guys, they're usually going after other animals, not people.
So what are the rest of them eating? Well, they're insectivores. They're like nature's pest control.
And it's not just bugs, they also eat fruit, seeds, and pollen. Super important pollinators. So by munching on pests and spreading seeds, they're basically a huge help to the ecosystem.
But here's where we run into a problem. Their natural homes, like caves and trees, are vanishing.
So they're adapting and moving a lot closer to us, sometimes a little too close.
So what actually happens when you find out a whole colony has moved into your attic?
Well, for one, they can be really loud at night, and yeah, the droppings can get pretty smelly.
But here's the thing you have to remember. They are not going to destroy your house.
Unlike, say, squirrels, bats don't chew on wires or mess with the structure of your home. This means you can't just call an exterminator. The right way uses a special one-way flap.
But it's not quite that simple. There's a major legal catch you absolutely have to know about.
Okay, this is huge. It's actually illegal to remove them at all between May and September. And why? Because that's their maternity season. They're busy raising their babies, or pups.
And just to be clear, poisons and regular pest control methods are completely off the table. So really, homeowners just have to be patient and make sure they're following the law.
They might be a bit of a nuisance sometimes, but they are definitely not the villains we think they are. Which brings us back to the big question. Now, when you see a bat, what do you see?
Is it just a pest? Or is it a protected neighbor that we kind of need to learn to live with?